Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Salesforce using OAuth and JWT, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Salesforce using OAuth and JWT, you need to follow a series of steps. Start by creating a connected app in your Salesforce instance. Log into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Setup menu. In the Quick Find box, type App Manager and select it. Click on the New Connected App button. Fill in the required fields such as the connected app name and contact email. Enable the Enable OAuth settings checkbox. In the callback URL field, enter any valid URL, as it won't be used in JWT authentication. Under selected OAuth scopes, add Access and Manage Your Data API. Save your settings and take note of the consumer key and consumer secret generated. Next, you'll need to configure your server for JWT. Ensure you have a valid RSA private key to sign your JWT. Use a JWT library in your preferred programming language to create the token. Set the ISS claim to your Salesforce consumer key. Set the subclaim to the Salesforce username for the account you're authenticating. Set the AUD claim to https://login.salesforce.com. Set the EXP claim to define the expiration time of the token. Sign the JWT using your RSA private key. Now, make an HTTP POST request to the Salesforce token endpoint. Use the URL https://login.salesforce.com/services/OAuth2/token . In the request body, include the grant type as earn IETF params OAuth grant type JWT bearer. Add your signed JWT in the assertion field. Send the request and await a response. If successful, you will receive an access token and a refresh token. Use the access token to make API calls to Salesforce. If your access token expires, use the refresh token to obtain a new access token. Make sure to handle any errors that occur during this process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.